Hi, Namaste, Hari Om, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. The eighth day of Navratri or Durgashtami is dedicated to goddesses Mahagauri, who is the eighth avatar of nine goddesses. Importance: Goddesses Mahagauri has other names also, which are Shvetambharadara, that is dressed in white clothes, Vrusharuda, that is ride the bull, Chaturbhuja, having four hands, and Shambhavi. The name Mahagauri means Maha means extremely and Gauri means white. Hence the name Mahagauri means extremely white, and she is white in her complexion and in very beautiful form. And it is also believed that the planet Rahu is governed by goddesses Parvati. Appearance: being a symbol of purity, serenity, and tranquility, Mahagauri is said to put an end to all the sufferings of her devotees. It is also believed that Mahagauri is the 16 years old unmarried form of goddesses Parvati. The eighth avatar of Navadurga in her physical form is depicted as a three-eyed, four-armed beautiful goddesses mounted on a white Vrushabha, that is bull. Two of her arms are either side or in Varada and Abhaya Mudra pose to bless and alleviate fears from the lives of her devotees, while other two hands hold a Trishul and Dhamaru. Stories. Today I am going to tell two kind of stories. According to mythology, legends says that Parvati wanted to get Lord Shiva as a husband, so she left all the comforts of the palace and started the tough penance in the forest. While performing the severe penance for many years, Parvati's body turned black due to dust, soil, and leaves of trees. At last, Lord Shiva, pleased with her hard penance and blessed her that he would marry her. Lord Shiva cleaned the goddesses Parvati with the sacred water of holy Ganga. All the dust, soil, and dirt were washed away from the body of goddesses Parvati, and she got the white complexion. Thus, goddesses Parvati is also known as Mahagauri. One more story. After killing all the demons, that is Chenda, Munda, and Rakta Bija, Parvati was left with the skin as dark as night. Thus made Mahadev and others tease her with the nickname Kali. Agitated, Parvati appealed to Brahma by undergoing a severe penance to regain her fair skin. Pleased Lord Brahma advised her to take a bath in the Manasa Sarovara river in Himalaya. Acting on Brahma's advice, Parvati regained her white complexion and beauty, also called as Kaushiki, who later killed the demons Shumba and Nishumba and became popular by the name of Mahagauri. Significance: Mahagauri washes away the sins and bestows her worshippers with success and prosperity. Mahagauri enlightens the spiritual seekers and removes the fear of rebirth by granting salvation. The devotees should perform the eighth day of Navratri Puja with huge devotion and pure mind so that Devi Mahagauri fulfills all their desires. Mahagauri vanishes all the previous sins and wrong deeds of the devotees and purifies their life. Goddesses Mahagauri leads them to the path of truth and happiness. Ma Devi Mahagauri Dhyanam. श्वेते वृषे समारूढा श्वेताम्बरधरा शुचिः महागौरी शुभं दद्यान् महादेवप्रमोददा. Today's mantra: Om Devi Mahagaurयै Namaha. Chant this 108 times and get divine blessings. So, by knowing the significance, one can notice that by praying goddesses Mahagauri, one can attain path of truth, happiness, and even purifies their life. So let's meditate on this auspicious day and start as fresh as new one. I hope you all do, and you will be so blessed. Thank you.